Jeffries ar ei drod chwith, chwilio am y rhediad gan Nathan Wood. Mae'n bas hyfryd gan Dan Jeffries. Sgiliau hyfryd gan Wood i giro Harrington. A draws wyneb y gol gan Clutton. Clutton ar ei drod chwith. Oedd yn alawio at y postyn pella. Ac yna Emmanuel! Ac mae'n cael ei harbed. Yn wych gan Paul Harrison. Ioan Emmanuel yn cychwyn i gêm gynta o'r tymor yn penio. Ac Harrison yn cadw'r Seintiau Newydd yn gyfartal yma. Am bas ar draws y cwrt Cosby mlaen at Arman! A dim cam sefyll y bas ymlaen gan Harling at Arman. Ac Arman ar y foli i ergyd yn syth at Paul Harrison. Cyffyrddiad cynta i Leo Smith. Smith. Kane Owen yn cael ei giro yn yr awyr. Dyma Clark. Clark yn ergydio! A'r marbediad gan Ashley Morris. Taran o ergyd gan Ben Clark. A dechreuad cadarnhaol i'r Seintiau ar ddechrau'r ail hanner. Astles, lle o flan Keaston Davies, Harrington ar yr ystlys. Peniad allan gan Jeffries ond yn syth at Clark, Ben Clark. Clark yn troi ymyl y cwrt Cosby. Oes yna gyfle am ergyd, mae'n wych gan Ben Clark! Yn troi yn ôl ar ei drod chwith. Ac ergyd isiel i gornel isiau rhwyd yn curo Ashley Morris. Pen-y-bont dim, y Seintiau 1, a pha mor allweddol fydd y gol honno yn y ras am y bencampwriaeth. Brobl a Marriott dros y bêl. A Brobl sydd â hi! A Brobl yn claddu degfed gol y tymor. Sydd mae'n siŵr yn mynd i alwain a 3 phwynt yma. 3 phwynt pwysig, 3 phwynt allweddol, 3 phwynt arwyddocaol i'r Seintiau Newydd. Clark sgiliau da ergyd wych ac arbediad rhagorol gan Ashley Morris. Wel, hanner cyfles eisiau ar Ben Clark, ond gwych eto gan Ashley Morris. Leo Smith. Mullen, lan at Smith. Smith i'w selio hi! Ac mae'n gwneud hynny! Leo Smith yn dod i'r car ddechrau'r ail hanner yn derbyn y bas yn ôl o'r ddiwedd Jamie Mullen o gwmpas Morris ac yn sicrhau'r 3 phwynt i'r Seintiau Newydd.
Yeah, well, what I would say, I thought we were fortunate to come in at half-time, having not conceded. They had a couple of good chances before half-time. I didn't think we played very well in the first half. We probably moved the ball a little bit slower than what we would have liked and didn't create as much as what we would have liked. I thought after half-time, though, we really stepped it up, made a few tactical changes and a couple of subs, and probably for 15 or 20 minutes is how I really envisage a team playing, and I thought we played very well during that period and deserved to win the game due to that time.
Yeah, I think when you look at the result, it sounds like, or it looks like a comprehensive victory, but actually wasn't a 3-0 in my opinion. We certainly should have scored a couple of goals. Perhaps didn't do enough to win the game, but we were in it and we're competing with the top sides. And if you go through my team today, I thought there was some really strong performances. I thought Kane Owen again, Miles Davis, Lewis Harlan ran the midfield for me, which is a crazy thing to say because we've lost the game. But Lewis Clutton again, Nathan Wood, so you can go through them all. I thought we played really well, but we came up against a good side. And like I said, 1-0 down, one of the best players in the league scores a great goal.
Having secured the 3 points, how much of a psychological blow was it to come in and find that Connors Quay had won by 2-1, having been down 1-0?
Yeah, well, listen, not really. I mean, we said to the players before the game that we need to concentrate on what we're doing. What we wouldn't want to do is slip up our end and then something happens elsewhere in these last 3 games. We've got to concentrate on what we're doing, and we really do mean that. And it was important that we got back to winning ways tonight after 2 draws, and that's all we can do is control what we've got in front of us.
With 2 games to go, do the preparations begin now for the playoff?
No, they've already begun. To be quite honest, I've had one eye on our next opponent and one eye on our potential opponents. That's the way it's got to be. But obviously, the league title deserves a respect that we've given it tonight. We've given it our all tonight. We've played our strongest available side. And we'll do the same Saturday, and then we'll certainly do the same against Connors Quay.